Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
Make sure that all dependencies are installed by running the next command. NixNote package is not available on Ubuntu-based repository, so you can install it via apt-ppa method by running the next commands. Execute an apt update to reflect the newly imported PPA. Then install the application with the following command. Once installation is finished, go into your desktop. There you will see the NixNote. By icon you can find it, or by system search bar. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.